Hey there, it's Shal from Leads Panda. Today, in 60 seconds, we are going to go over 7 tips to start your content marketing plan. Let's go. Number 1, understand your audience. It's important to know who you're talking to with your content. Know their wants, desires, their likes, and their dislikes. Number 2, be a problem solver. To gain leads or new customers, make sure your content offers a solution to a problem. Number 3, be unique. There's more competition now more than ever. Better determine what makes you unique and apply it. Number 4, define your goals. Without a goal, it's hard to be strategic. List your goals and work to achieve them. Number 5, formulate creative content ideas. Brainstorm content ideas and do your research about the trends, what works and what does not work. Number 6, create your editorial calendar. An editorial calendar will help you manage your content easily. To save time and be strategic, create one that works for you. Number 7, choose platforms where content will be published. There are a lot of platforms where you could publish your content. Be specific and start from there. If you enjoyed this content, give us a like and let me know which tip works for you. Thanks for joining. If you're struggling with your content marketing, I would encourage you to log on to leadspanda.com and learn more about how we can help you. And see you next time.